our course is ending today, but if you would like to know anything, hit me up on WhatsApp or Facebook.
Yeah, of course, of course, I will do. I will do it.
Yeah. And in our future, we'll see, where we are. All right. I definitely want you to be successful.
Yeah,
Do
of course.
something great. Being average is actually very hurtful. It hurts. Nobody actually cares about you.
Yeah, that's true.
So if you want to be an important person, then you have to probably do something better than most of the people, and you have to do something outstanding. So actually, for everybody, it's never late to do something great. But as you're
Yeah,
still in your early life, just first year, I guess that means you still have great amount of time. So make the best use of your time and do something phenomenal. Phenomenal money game.
yeah. Good to go know.
Right. Ghotonabohu, something, that's eye
Important.
catching. People would know about you, right?
Videos of an Chaudhary. Yeah, do you know an Chaudhary?
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Yeah,
it
actually
talks about.
he makes a very good video. And I know today that he is a lecturer of Buet,
Oh,
and it famous to me because he is a knowledgeable person.
oh, I
And
didn't know that, but
yeah, I actually checked his Facebook profile and I found, yeah, there that he is a former lecturer of Ahsanullah University, and now he is a lecturer of Buet. He does a lot of research.
exactly, you do have to. If, absolutely, if you want to, suppose you want to write a blog or do something, you definitely have to research on
Yeah,
that
yeah.
thing at first.
But many people actually make videos without research. They just copy someone, and everybody should research.
Research at first, exactly. Yeah, I didn't know that he's a lecturer. I thought he's just a random person. I
Yeah,
haven't.
I also thought.
Yeah, I haven't watched any of his videos, but I actually saw some suggestions of his videos on my
Yeah, you
YouTube.
can actually watch his videos. I'm watching just I have watched half of a video about Jamal Nazrul Islam. Do you know about Jamal Nazrul Islam?
Yeah, he was I think professor of Chittagong University,
Yeah, he is actually very
math
underrated person of
mathematician or
Bangladesh.
something, right?
He is a very underrated person. He is a scientist, a very big scientist, actually, very famous scientist in the world.
Hmm.
But in Bangladesh, he is very underrated. Nobody actually, very few people know him actually, and
Yeah.
he was a friend of my father and my father-in-law of my sister.
Oh,
And
that's
I
nice.
actually, and he also was present in my in the marriage ceremony of my elder sister.
Oh,
Their relations are good, and he's I, I actually have known that he was a roommate and best friend of Stephen Hawking, uh, and they have beautiful and very good relations between them.
oh, I didn't.
They are very good, and he is actually many people say that he is actually more knowledgeable and more actually bigger
Better than Stephen
scientist,
Hawking.
better scientist than Stephen Hawking. And he actually wrote a book. I forgot the name of his book. It is very famous,
Mm-hmm.
and it is written. Sorry, it was written before 5 years. Uh,
Mm.
Stephen Hawking's.
Oh
Uh,
wow. Actually heard one thing that he was a very good mathematician and he didn't like to use computer or something. That's what I
yeah,
heard.
he is actually a cosmopolitician.
Yeah.
He researched on
Cosmologist. I guess.
cosmologist. Okay, he used to research on the universe and all
Mm.
those things like Stephen Hawking.
Right.